Hello guys, now we start with the topic relationship between TU and MU. What is TU? TU stands for total utility. That means sum of utilities derived from consuming all the units of a good. For example, if you consume 10 units of a good and every unit gives you 5 utility, that means total 50 util of satisfaction you are getting. So total utility will be 50 utils, right? So TU can be written as TU equals to sigma of MU. Now, next is marginal utility. What is marginal utility? It is the addition to the TU when an additional unit of a commodity is consumed. That means as soon as you consume the next unit of a commodity, that will give you additional utility, that is MU. MU can be written in the following form. MU is equal to change in TU upon change in units consumed, or it can be written as MU of n equals to T of n minus T of n minus 1, and n stands for the number of units consumed. After writing the definitions, we come on to schedule. As you can see in the above schedule, units consumed are increased from 1 to 8 and MU falls from 10 to minus 4 because of law of DMU, which we have learnt earlier. Now, can we add MU and take out TU? Right, because TU is the summation of MU. So now can you see in the schedule, we have taken out TU like 10, 18, 24, 28, 30, 30, 28 and 24. Now you have to plot this thing into the diagram. On diagram, can you see on x-axis we have unit consumed and on y-axis we have MU and TU. So you have got TU curve and MU curve, and as you can see at point B, when TU is maximum, MU gets 0 by touching x-axis. Same thing we have to explain through relationship points. So the first point says when MU is positive, TU increases. Now look at the schedule from 1st to 5 unit. MU is positive from 10 to 2 and TU is increasing from 10 to 13. And in diagram from point A to B, can you see that? Yeah, the mark points. Next point comes in the relationship when MU is 0, TU is maximum. In schedule at the 6th unit you can see that, and in diagram at point B you can see that. The final point here is when MU is negative, TU starts falling or decreasing. Again get back to the schedule from unit 7 and 8. In diagram from point B to C. This is how you are going to write down the relationship points by maintaining the bracket side by side. But the main point is how will you present the whole answer in exam. The following points should be kept in mind while writing your answer. You should write definitions with the formulas given. You should make a schedule properly. Then go for a diagram. You don't need to plot unless it's mentioned. Just plot the diagram and take care that when TU is maximum, MU is 0 and touches x-axis. That is the main point of drawing the diagram. Last, you have to write relationship points and you have to maintain brackets as given in the presentation PowerPoint. That will help the examiner to get the whole idea and give you whole marks without deducting any of the single mark. This is how you should present, and in a proper chronological order. You should not change the order to get the best from the examiner. I hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot.